To add a connector, you first must enter your system. Then, on the left side, click on Connectors. Then, click on Add Connector button. The first step here is to choose the EdgeNode. So, select your EdgeNode and then choose the connector from the list. You can search by name, by engine, or by brand. In our case, I will use a Siemens PAC 3200 energy meter. I will select this one and I will name it. Click Next. Check the specific configuration for this connector, such as Modbus addresses and communication channel. Click Next, and you will see the available properties for this connector. Click Next, and finally you have a summary of your connector. Once you click Finish, you have created your connector.